Okay, I'm trying to make this video because I think it's long overdue. Me sharing this video with the community. Now it's almost getting a little bit dark, but I have to make this video because if I don't make it, I might not have another time to record it again. So let me just put it straight with other creators, amongst us or on this platform. So a lot have been going on YouTube, and many have been complaining about experiencing low viewership on their channels, and this is very obvious. It cuts across niches. There are some niches that are doing very well right now, and there are some that are having serious drought, viewership drought. So now what can you do about this? There's nothing you can do about it. What is the cause? Definitely there are a whole lot of, that could be the cause. Like one, this age categorization on YouTube, that's one of the cause. Secondly, we have the algorithm that all these new features that YouTube has introduced. Definitely there's no way that they won't make one or two changes in their algorithm. And another thing I noticed is that old videos, like one of the pride of creators on YouTube is that it's just like when you upload a video on your channel or on YouTube, it's like an asset. But now it seems that that's no longer the thing right now, because like I noticed that some channels, and it also affected my channel as well, like we depend solely on old videos. Like when you upload, even if you don't upload frequently on your channel, your old videos will be performing very well and be returning reasonable revenue to your channel. But that's not the case again. I noticed that old videos are getting lesser views, and for you to get the number of views that you normally get on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis, you need to increase your frequency, your upload frequency. Now there's this channel that normally gets hundreds of thousands of views on their channel weekly, but now they barely get up to 100,000 views. And from the little research I made, I discovered that most of those, like 70% of the views they get weekly or monthly on their channel, are through old videos that they have posted like 1 year ago, 2 years ago, and so forth. So this suggests that I think YouTube is now focusing on recency, how recent you make content on your channel. And if you are posting regularly, not in terms of every time, but frequently, like if you're uploading once in a week, you might be, your videos will be performing very well, but you need to increase the frequency, like uploading like 2 or 3 times in a week for you to even stay relevant or still meet up with the number of views you are making on your channel, you are getting on your channel, and even the revenue you are making. You get the point? So now that leads me to what I want to share with the community. Right now, maybe some of us are we are somehow kind of, let's say, discouraged or reluctant to make content now, because you hardly make reasonable earnings from the videos you are making right now. You're uploading on your channel right now. So, but there's something that I would like to share that happened on this channel like some years ago. Now you might be thinking, is this video worth uploading or not? But I'm here to tell you that, like, the turning point on this channel was a day that I decided to upload a video that I felt that wasn't necessary, that it wasn't worth uploading. And that video today on this channel is the most viewed video on this channel, and at the same time is the video that has earned me the highest. I think that video has about over 270,000 views, and it has earned me, just only that video has earned me over $2,000. So if you watch towards the end of that video, I will share the link in the description. That particular video, you see towards the end, I just winked my eye. So that shows that I just casually made that video. But not that I casually, there was something that led to me making that video. Like I was trying to, I think that was during the time I was trying to figure out YouTube monetization, and I discovered that there's no content English, the English language or English content on how to apply, how to set up an AdSense account, or how to do to monetize YouTube or set up AdSense account. So the ones I saw on YouTube were like basically like 4 years or 5 years ago, and the interface that they use in those videos are not the same with what was as of then. So that now prompted me that, okay, this video is not available on YouTube or anywhere, so let me just make a more recent one in English version, because the one I was seeing were, those videos were in Indian languages and all that. So I made that video, just casually made it, and as of that time it wasn't my niche, AdSense wasn't my niche, and I just made that video, and surprisingly that video contributed to me quickly monetizing my channel that same year. So what I'm trying to say is that this is not the time to give up, or maybe you say, okay, I'm not getting views anymore, YouTube is being messed up, the algorithm is not favoring creators and all that. Yes, creators are also one of the stakeholders on this platform, but in my own opinion, I think they are the most violated. You get the point. We have the creators, the viewers, and the advertisers. These are the three main stakeholders on this platform. But the advertisers have that edge, because they are the one bringing the money. They are the one, the money that creators are earning. Those monies are from the advertisers. So if advertisers don't like you, YouTube will comply. That's why you see when you're making content, you see advertiser friendly, nothing like creators friendly, or the reverse, but it's always. So this shows that the advertiser have, they have upper hand among the three stakeholders. That is among comparing them with the creators and the viewers. So now it's already getting dark, so let me just wrap up everything. So that video that you are still contemplating whether you should make or not, do it, upload that video. Sorry, there was some interruption. So this video, I'm just making it just to upload it. I'm not going to do so much edit on it. So, but I'm encouraging you, that video that you think that won't perform very well, get ready. That video could possibly, turn your life around, just like the video I talked about. After I uploaded that video about AdSense, it changed the direction of my channel, and it has, I've been blessed by that video. Although it's not getting enough, it's not getting views again, but it has, done it has performed what it ought to do on this channel. So please, that video, don't wait for perfection. Just make your video, upload it, be frequent on YouTube. That is what the YouTube algorithm wants now. So you need to be frequent. If you are doing once in a week, I think it might not be enough. Well, depending on the kind of content you are making on your channel, depending on your niche. But it's now very obvious that you need to do more than one video. More than one video on your channel. So if this video was helpful, and if you see it useful, please just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And if you're having issues with applying for your YouTube monetization or setting up your AdSense account, just click the QR code on the screen and sign up for my AdSense support program. So there I will help you do the necessary thing. So I wish you guys all the best. Don't give up. This is not the time to plan an escape route. We are here to make it, to impact the world, and also to earn more on this platform. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.